camera is off.
No, bacha, my camera is on.
Your camera is on.
Yes, my camera is on.
It is off.
No, bacha, it is on. Yes, Krishiv's camera is off. Yes, Arav, what happened, beta?
मैम मेरे घर में पावर चला गया तो इसी में क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाया.
Okay, fine, no problem. Just a minute, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I think now this is better. Yes, Riyansh, so many days, where were you? So many holidays.
मम्मा बाहर जाएगी गोवा.
तो आप कहाँ थे?
मैं नहीं बैठा.
तो आप तो बैठ सकते हो ना, मम्मा नहीं थी तो
वो मैं घर पे कह लेकिन वो नहीं बैठा.
Okay, good morning. Krishiv, turn on your camera, please. Fiona, we are not going to play with this clay, so keep it aside.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
Fine. I'm fine, thank you.
English class is.
Yes, it is English class. We'll just wait for everybody to join. Sorry?
What will we need today?
What will we need today? I will tell you in some time. So what we will need.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you,
Happy birthday,
Janvi.
ma'am.
Thank you, Riyash. Thank you, Kaira. Thank you, Arav. Thank you, Nivi. Thank you, Krishiv. Thank you, Henny. Thank you, Dev. Thank you, Veer. Again, thank you, Veer. Thank you,
Thank you,
Pahel.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Vihan, Suhan.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll just wait for a minute for everybody to join the class and then we can start the class. Yes. Yes, Kaira, what happened?
Oh, sorry.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay. So I think today Ridan is not there today. Okay. Henny, did you do the no? Today is Ridan's chance. Okay, let's wait for a minute more. Let's see.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in Hindi class we not do pray.
Yes, bacha. We will do prayers. We'll just wait for one more minute. Okay. Then we will start the prayer. Okay. 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 I think we will start. Ridan was there in Hindi period.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
He was not there. Okay, fine. Okay. Janvi, you will do the prayer today?
Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds and things. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the everything.
Very good. Okay, Janvi, what is today's date?
Date 2 22 2021
Very good. And which month is going on?
Thursday,
Thursday? No, today is not Thursday.
Friday,
Yes, it is Friday. And month, which month is going on?
2
October.
October.
Yes. Okay, fine. Turn off your microphone. Okay, I'm taking your attendance. Okay. Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
Dev,
What?
Henny,
Happy.
Ridan is absent. Janvi,
Princess.
Jivansh, Jivansh is absent. Kyra,
Sunny day.
very good. Krishiv,
Star.
Nilansh,
Sunny day.
Neeti, Nivi,
Black.
Pahel,
Rainbow.
Preet,
Wonderful day.
very good. Riyansh, Rajveer is not there, no? Riyansh, Rudra,
Strong.
Suhan,
I am healthy boy.
very good. Veer Mundra,
I am good boy.
Veer Patel,
Smart.
Vihan Shah,
I am also a good boy.
Fiona,
Prince.
okay, good, okay. So now today we are going to do English and get your English grammar textbook. Yes, Veer Mundra.
I want to show you something.
Okay, just give me a minute. Wait. Yes, Veer Mundra, what you want to show me? Wow, you made a lantern. Wow, nice. In your craft class. Very good. Yes, Janvi.
This is
Yes, I'm showing it. I have showed it in my on my screen. Take out that book. Yes, Kyra.
I want to also show you something.
Okay, sure.
Only one thing is this.
Okay.
मैंने रात को ये बनाया था, बलून लिया, उसके अंदर स्टेशनरी डाली,
Wow.
then eraser, sharpener, everything. Then
Okay.
also escape.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the page?
It is page number 29. I think it is page number 29. Yes, Janvi. Yes. Yes, it is correct page number, Janvi. Now keep the book down. Page number 29.
Ma'am, page number 29 is this.
That is 29?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Janvi, which page number is this?
2929.
It is 29. Veer Mundra, it is 29 only. You have opened the wrong page number.
Oh, it's 39.
English grammar textbook. Yes, Veer Patel. Okay. So what is the first question? First question is look at the pictures and fill in the blanks, choosing from the pronouns given in the bracket. So in the bracket there are pronouns given and there is a picture. So you have to tell which pronoun you are supposed to use for that. Dash is a doctor. So what can you see? He or she? So you have to write that over here. Yes, Arav?
He.
Very good. Now next one. Dev, you are going to tell me Dash is a lion. So which pronoun are you going to use for lion? It or she?
It.
Very good. Okay. Henny, tell me the
It.
next one. Dash is a pen. Which
It
pronoun
is
will you
a
use?
pen.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Janvi, Dash is a teacher. Which pronoun you will use? He or she?
She.
She. This is she. Then?
He. He.
Okay. Kyra. Okay. Jivansh is there. Jivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Shivansh, tell me what will come over here. Dash is a ball. A he or it?
It.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Now next sentence is yours. Next question is you are supposed to complete this sentence. Don't worry, I will show you the answers. Right now we will do this orally first. Okay. Okay. So Kyra, tell me what will come over here. Dash am a boy. So what will come? You have to choose from this box.
Dash. Dash.
Am a boy.
I am a boy.
Very good. Very nice. Krishiv, second one. Sanchita and I play together. Dash also go to school together. So what will come over here? Sanchita and I. So it becomes Krishiv.
Answer.
Answer this. Sanchita and I play together. Then which pronoun will we use? Dash also go to school together.
Me.
Very good. Very nice.
Very good. We. Right to read.
Nilansh. Krishu, beta, turn off your microphone. Okay, Nilansh. The third one. Rimi and her neighbors celebrate Diwali. Dash burn crackers. So which pronoun
He.
will come? Huh? There are two
He.
people, Rimi and her neighbors. So when there
We.
are many people, what will we use?
We. We.
But you are not included in this. You are not there. It is Rimi and her neighbors. You are not there in this. We can't use.
They.
Huh?
They.
They. Yes, it will be they. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Nivi.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. John is my friend. Dash is a scientist. So which pronoun will we use?
He.
He. Very good. Preet.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one. My sister eats my chocolate. Dash is a naughty girl.
She.
Very good. Pahel.
What? Yes, ma'am.
Sixth. Tell me the sixth one. Can Dash help me with my homework?
इसमें से देखना, उधर से क्यों स्क्रीन में देख रहे, इसमें देखना
Sixth one. Can Dash help me with my homework?
क्या आएगा इसमें से.
You.
Very good. Very nice, Pahel. Okay. Neeti.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the seventh one. Surbhi is a good girl. Dash goes to school every day. So which pronoun will come? For Surbhi, what will we use?
She.
Very good. Very nice. Riyansh. Riyansh, tell me the eighth one. Osman lives in Delhi. Dash has a big bungalow. Osman is a boy. So it is a man. Osman lives in Delhi. Dash has a big bungalow. So what will we use for this Osman?
He.
Very good. He. Then ninth one, Rudra.
Yes, ma'am. पापा बंद कर.
Rudra, tell me the ninth one. My dog is very cute. Dash has a brown furry body. So what will we use for my dog?
It.
Very good. Very nice. Sohan. 10th one. Paul and his parents are going to the city. Dash want to buy new clothes. So what will we use for Paul and his parents? What will we use, beta? Paul and his parents. When there are more than one person, what will we use? I, he, she, it, we, they.
It.
It. It. So we use for only animals and things. We don't use for human beings. If there are many.
He.
He तो एक ही हो गया. He and she. Paul is with his parents. Paul उसके पेरेंट्स के साथ है. तो बहुत सारे हो गए ना, तो क्या बोलेंगे? See in the bracket they have given in the strip I, he, she, it, we, they, you. तो क्या आएगा? When there are many, what will come? Try. they आएगा ना बच्चे, they आएगा. Yes, when there are many, they will come. Okay, even for things and animals, if there are many, so we will use they only. Okay, they. जहाँ पे हम नहीं होते. When we are there, what we will say? We. Yes, like we are studying, we are playing, because you are also included in that. Yes. Okay. Then 11th one. Veer Mundra.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me this one. This is my room. Dash, share it with my sister. So for my, what will we use for yourself?
I.
Very good. Very nice. Veer Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the last one. This is a pen. Dash is my favorite pen. Very good. Very nice. Okay, children, see, I have written the answers. Check your answers. Check your answers. Everyone finish checking your answers? Everyone finish checking your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just show me a thumbs up if you have finished checking. Okay, Veer, okay, I'm waiting. Okay, children, I will do one thing. I will send this to you. Okay?
Send कर दो ना.
Yes, but I will send it to you.
बस मेरे 3 आंसर. ठीक है मैंने.
3 answers ही बाकी है. Seventh one is she. Can we turn off your microphone, please?
मत भेजना, मैंने लिख लिया.
Okay, fine. Yes, Dev? Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi. Okay, children, everybody is done? Okay. Yes, Krishiv?
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, children, so you all can take a break and come back. What is your next class? It's music, right?